How to request and use curbside pickup at Nordstrom. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to request and use curbside pickup at Nordstrom once you placed a buy online pickup in-store order. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can head over to nordstrom.com or the application, and once we have added the product to our cart, we can look out for the bag option usually in the top right corner. Once we select it, we should be finding our list of products that is inside our bag, which is left to check out. So you can wait for this page to load up, and then it will be available like this. Now here you can see we have two options, shipping and available for pickup. So what we need to do is we need to select the option of free pickup in the checkout section and choose a store that offers the pickup. And right in the section, if the curbside pickup is available, you can even look out for that option and check it, and it will be an option after your order is ready. So you can just go over and select up the item that you would like to purchase, and select Nordstrom department store once you select this option called available for pickup. And then once your order is ready, you'll be receiving an email or app notification telling you it's available for pickup. If the curbside is offered at your store, the message will include instructions for how to request it. You can look out for the request curbside pickup or similar option, and that will notify the store that you want your order brought out to your cart. And you can follow out any prompts you may be asked for your vehicle details. So you can just go over and provide those information, and when you arrive at the store, they should give you all of your products to you directly, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. For now, you can head over and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.